Good morning guys, Dimitri here from uPVC.com.au. Today's Saturday 11th August 2023. So we finally packed the Mackay job from Sydney. We've got 15 large glass panes, all nicely packed here, as well as 2 stacker doors, 3 panels each, 1 sliding door, 2 French doors, and one tilt and turn door, and then a 1 composite hinge door and another smaller hinge door. So yeah, half the Pantech, pretty much. $25,000 worth, and half empty. That's how much room you can fit in. 2.2 high, amazing. All this stuff is 21 high. Took about 4 to 5 hours packing the glass with the frames, and nothing's moving. You use these corner pieces for the pressure, so there's no bends in the frame. Cardboard or tarps or drop sheets or blankets, so the frame does not scuff against each other. Very important. Then we've got a pillow behind, so the handles of the frame does not touch the metal caging. Very important as well. Cool. Thanks for watching. Happy journeys.